Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit New, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery on your watch is charged at least above 50%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and to do it you can simply press the side button here. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon to open the settings, of course. In settings, scroll all the way down and tap on the system. Here select the reset option and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. Once you see this screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.